the coming of this industrial revolution, humans were able to advance further into 21st century. Science became advanced, manufacturing age came into view, and technology developed rapidly. With all of this advancement came one more effect: industrial pollution. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mama Erfan, and together with me, Nazif Wafi-Ayman, Abid Mursyidi, and Muhammad Zaim will peel this issue in details.
We tend to think that the air pollution comes from the smoke of the factory without us realizing that our house that we live today produce as much as chemical pollution produced by the factory. Our daily products such as aerosol spray produce CFC, that is chlorofluorocarbon, that can cause harmful towards our environment by thinning the ozone layer. This can also lead to the global warming, such as our temperature of environment will increase. Our aircon that we use daily may seem comfort to us, but as much as we use the aircon, they also produce CFC that can harm to our environment. There are so much ways to reduce the CFC.
So as you all know, as mentioned by Frank earlier, CFC, which also is known as chlorofluorocarbon, has a big damaging effect towards our ecosystem, which is by depleting the ozone layer. However, there are some ways to overcome this issue. First of all, we can substitute this chlorofluorocarbon with a hydrocarbon compound, which is known as hydrofluorocarbon. This brings the same function as chlorofluorocarbon, but it does not deplete the ozone layer. However, it is a hydrocarbon, therefore it releases some carbon dioxide and it contributes to the greenhouse effect, which also can cause global warming. But all in all, most importantly, it does not deplete the ozone layer how the CFC actually deplete the ozone layer. Besides actually using the HFC, which is also known as hydrofluorocarbon, we can also use compressed gases such as nitrous oxide, which also brings the same function as hydrofluorocarbon and also does not deplete the ozone layer, but also contributes to the global warming effect.
Water pollution and soil pollution are often caused directly due to the inefficiency disposal of waste. Long exposure to the polluted air and water causes many health problems, making the issue of industrial pollution into a severe one. It also lowers the air quality of the surrounding areas, which leads to many respiratory disorders.
There are two ways on how we can overcome industrial pollution. The first one is by using phosphate-free detergent and also dish cleaner. By using phosphate-free detergent and dish cleaner, it is enough for us to do the cleaning job. This is because phosphate is a dangerous material that could lead to the algal blooms in the river. Second point on how we can overcome industrial pollution is that by regular environmental impact assessments. Being a responsible company or industry, they should require a regular environmental impact assessment, and if there are any suspicion or negative effects from the review, necessary actions should be taken and also enforced.
As stated by Aldo Leopold, we abuse land because we see it as a community belonging to us. But when we see land as a community which belongs to us, we may start to use it with love and respect. So that is all from us. Thank you very much.